Jacob and Company. Astronomia Metaverso Earth. Main features are Jacob and Company. Astronomia Metaverso Earth is a truly spectacular and complex timepiece, blending high horology with artistic representation of our planet. Movement caliber, exclusive manufacturer Jacob and Company. Manual winding JCAM42. This is the core movement platform shared among the Metaverso collection, known for its intricate 3D rotating displays. Manual winding traditional watchmaking. 48-hour power reserve. Case diameter is 44 mm. Case height is 21 mm. Case material 18K rose gold with sapphire apertures on sides. Sapphire crystal sides allow for a complete view of the complex movement. 18K rose gold is a common material choice in the Metaverso line. Water resistance is 30 mm, which is standard for high complication pieces. Dial and hands dome 18K rose gold artistic dome, set with brilliant cut blue sapphires and green savorites representing the Earth's oceans and continents. Features a rotating Earth globe made of magnesium. A 1-minute flying tourbillon. A Jacob cut blue sapphire rotating every 60 seconds. The dial is the centerpiece, showcasing the Earth theme with meticulous gem setting and miniature representations. Spinel's subdial representing the Earth symbol. Strap alligator strap. Clasp 18K rose gold tang buckle.